Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to this new acrylic print video. Today I want to do a galaxy style acrylic pour painting. I'm gonna do the traveling open cup technique for that, and actually I haven't done anything space inspired for a while, so today I feel like it's time to fix it. And here is the playlist with some older galaxy pours in case you want to check them out. So today I want to do a double traveling open cup because I'm working on a pretty big canvas. It's 16 by 20, so I want to play with that composition. And I feel like after doing the traveling open cup, I might even do some blowout to create more like a burst effect, but I don't know, I will see how the flow goes. And for my colors, all of the colors that I'm using today, I mixed with the Floetrol and water. This is the mixture that I like to use for my open cup technique. I think it works pretty well, and I am not gonna use any silicone oil. So in case you want to check out all the colors and other supplies details that I'm using, please check them out in the description under this video. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So these are the colors that are gonna go in the open cup. My paint, the colors that are gonna go in the open cup and the base, which is gonna be black, are mixed the same way to a pretty fluid consistency. And I want to start by adding the base layer of black on my canvas. And the base is done, so now I want to do the open cup travel. So I want to go for two open cups from two opposite corners. One will go sort of this way and the other one will go this way. I want to start on the bottom corner here, well, it's the top for you. And for the colors, I'm just gonna layer them inside of my open cup. Alright, the open cup is full, and before doing the travel, I like to add a bit more black around the open cup. So now I'm gonna slightly lift it, release the colors from underneath the open cup, which is, by the way, the cookie cutter, and at the same time I'm gonna be traveling it across the canvas. So let's go! This is looking really beautiful. I love the cells popping up here, and I want to continue the flow. I think I'm gonna use a slightly bigger cutter for the other side. I just want to have a bit more paint on the bottom here. But I'm gonna layer colors in exactly the same order as I did for the first open cup. Alright, this is plenty of paint. Again, I'm adding a little bit more black around here. In the meantime, the cells keep growing here. looking just so beautiful. I love these colors together, so good. I really love how this looks so far. Really makes me think of Nebula. So next, I want to tilt just a little to help some of those cells stretch and reveal more colors that are hiding underneath the black. And I'm trying to work really slowly. Looking great so far. Now I want to do some blowing to create more movement in the composition. I see that I have too much paint in the center right now, so I'm gonna blow it out from the center out. Really love everything except for this side. Kind of missing the color and the movement. I want to add a bit more depth here with black. I really like how OpenCup technique creates large sections or clusters of cells. And I think I can stop now. Looking super cool. Definitely has some of the Nebula vibe for me. What do you think? I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.